Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you makeup look which can go well with pretty much any look no matter how you style it. I will show you three different looks: a casual look, a corporate look and an Indian look. Now first let's begin with the tutorial. I start with the Neutrogena moisturizer to prep my skin. And now I'm using Color Bar primer to blur out my pores. After that, I'll apply concealer and blend it properly. Next, I'll start the application of foundation. Here I am using Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, which little bit dark for my skin tone. So I am mixing Lakme 9 to 5, which is a light. And to set my base, I am using Fit Me Loose powder. And to fill my brows, I am using Miss Clear palette. After that, I lightly contour my cheekbones and my jawline. For my eyes, I am creating brownish subtle look so that it will suit with all my outfits. So first I am going to take this shade from this palette and apply it on my crease. Next I am going to take this darker brown shade and apply it on all over my lid. Now you can take any brown or black kajal pencil and create an eyeliner with it. I'm not creating wing eyeliner, I'm only outlining my upper lash line. Now I'm going to the dark brown shade again and I'm going to apply it again on my eyelid, smudging the kajal a bit. Next step is applying blush. After highlighting my face, I'm going to use mascara and not use falsies for this look. So yeah, I'm going to finish this look up with this nude sugar lipstick. So yeah, this is the final look. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.